Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a Galaxy DX-959B. This is for William in Georgia. It's a tune-up report. So starting on AM, power all the way down as usual. And top scale here is 10 watts. All the way down is 1. All the way up, 6. Peak power, 50 watts. Middle scale there. When you see going 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Peak power, audio. Che. Audio. 37. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2. And then we'll take it to sideband. Turn this down. On sideband, audio, check. Sideband power, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little over 30. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Excellent. Okay. And there you have it. Pop it on here real quick. Show you what's working.